We are Kavan's parents. We are from Bangalore. We are very happy to be in a part of International Book of Records.
Hi, firstly we would like to thank International Book of Records for recognizing our son's talent. Kavan is 4.5 years old and he has set a record of solving 20 Rubik's Cube in a span of 10 minutes 57 seconds. Thank you so much to the entire team of International Book of Records for giving an opportunity to showcase his talent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super talented kid, one in a million.